newpower99.com, giving new life to your old stuff.
Find a soft cloth or other means to protect the face of your Kindle. Begin by detaching the clips securing your Kindle's back cover using the tool provided in your kit from newpower99.com. To fully detach the back cover, you will need to slide it down as shown. Remove the two screws securing the original battery. Remove the original battery. Replace the original battery with a new extended life battery from newpower99.com. Replace the cover, being sure to press all the clips into place. Turn on your Kindle with its newly installed battery from newpower99.com. Your Kindle should now work perfectly. Be sure to charge the device for at least 2 hours before continuing to use.
newpower99.com, your source for batteries for your cell phone, PDA, MP3 player, laptop, and more. newpower99.com, giving new life to your old stuff.